I talked about it yesterday, but typically there's either systems problems or people problems. The thing you have to ask yourself, I always err to systems problems before people problems. I like to give people the benefit of the doubt. So when you say that they're not able to do their follow-up and stuff, I just gonna make assumptions here. It might not be because they are disrespecting you or they're not following the SOP. It might be that they physically don't have the time in order to do this. They're putting out fires in other areas, locations, et cetera, et cetera. Also, the other reasons why people don't do things is it's not abundantly clear why they should do them. They feel like it's silly for them to do it, or you have so much bloat in the process, it's so complicated that they don't even want to do it. They're like, I don't even know what the next step is, et cetera, et cetera. Goes back to what I said yesterday about simplification, right? As much as you can simplify it as possible. I think what could be a good one-two punch given your situation right now would be you to stay in the sales process right now, but be actively trying to cull it, try to make it as simple as humanly possible, systemize it, et cetera, et cetera. If you can build scripts and if you can work on a CRM, anything like that. But you do want to relatively soon, 30, 60, 90 days, start putting somebody else inside of there. Now, the question you'll ask yourself, is that going to be the lawyer that's currently taking on this caseload? I don't know enough about law and legal firms to know this, but traditionally, it is a little bit easier if you have one person solely focused on sales because let's say just for easy numbers, for one prospect, they're putting in 6 hours and they haven't closed them. There's an argument to be made that if they put another 6 hours in, they could close that prospect. So if you're a salesperson, all you have to do is close sales, then you'll put that other 6 hours in. If you are a lawyer who has a caseload and a bunch of other stuff, then you might not put that additional 6 hours in. There's always going to be trade-offs to everything. I think based on your scenario, that's the right path forward with the intent of removing yourself from sales and getting potentially a full-time salesperson in there who can edify the team, and you guys aren't part of that anymore.